Record screen on computer. Today we will share how to record your computer screen with sound. Launch Ukisoft Screen Recorder and then use the options like target, audio, output, etc. In the target option, you can customize the recording area, full screen, or custom recording window. Go to audio. You have to choose the source of the recorded audio. If you want to record some game tutorials, you can choose computer sound and microphone. These are based on your needs. Open the setting gear. Here are some options you can customize. Click video at the top. You can choose the output format and the output quality and the path. You can also add watermarks, screenshots, and custom hotkeys to recorded videos. Click OK to complete all settings. Return to the main screen. Now all you need to do is adjust the recording area. Click on Record to start recording your computer screen. During recording, you can pause, start, and stop recording at will. After the recording is complete, navigate to the output path. You select it and view the recorded video. Return to the home page. You'll see the video toolbox where you can add personalized effects to your video. Drag and drop the recorded video directly to the toolbox. Now you can add various effects to your video to personalize your video.